Welcome back to XM Natural Hair and Color Studio. I am Sin Marie, based in St. Louis, Missouri, and this is my client, Maya. This is actually a previous video from August 2024. This was Maya's first visit with me. She was referred to me by another client, and Maya was frustrated. She had cut her hair off trying to take down some crochet braids. So out of pure frustration, she cut her hair all off. I want to show you what Maya's hair looked like before she cut it off. This is what her hair looked like before she got frustrated with the crochet braids. If I had $1 for every client that has ruined their hair or cut their hair trying to take down a protective style, particularly the crochet braids, I will be rich. It happens that often. These styles can be beautiful, but only if they're installed and removed properly. So we had to cut Maya's hair to even it out. And she had some existing color on her hair, and she wanted that color back. I advised Maya, since you are trying to grow your hair back out, I think we should go with a much gentler permanent color and avoid any lifting or any bleach until she reaches her hair goals. So the damage that happens from taking these styles down is not just from the install. It is usually from the takedown, the neglect, the lack of preparation, and the absence of real aftercare. And one thing that Maya said to me, I should have come to you before I cut my hair, but I didn't even think about it. And I get it. Like I do. I get it. I have had this happen to me before, not taking down a style, but I've been so frustrated as a teenager that I just cut my hair off. And my stepfather at the time had to take me to the barber shop to get my hair cut and evened out. And I wore a low cut for about a year. So Maya came back in a little later that month, and we were doing her permanent color. So we wanted to go this healthy route because I wanted to make sure that her hair was in the best condition possible growing out. And I advise this to many clients. When you have hair growth goals, I don't really advise that you do any bleaching or highlighting. I mean, I've done it, but I think it's better to give your hair a fair chance to reach your goals. This is Maya in March of 2025. As you can see, her hair has grown out so much. She uses the products that, she uses professional products that she got from the salon. So she's using Olaplex. She has a steamer. I see Maya about every 3 months. And I'm so proud of the progress that she's made. So today she's actually able to get 2-strand twists. So she has graduated from the coils to mini twists. I also want to make a point that this is why partnering with a knowledgeable stylist on your hair growth journey is everything. We see what you can. We guide you through the panic, the should I just cut it off moments, and we help you create a plan that's not just cute, but healthy and sustainable. Before you let a friend or a random braider or, your cousin's neighbor's aunt install a style that could set you back months, ask yourself, do they understand your texture? Will they protect your hair underneath? Can you take it down safely, or do they offer you the option to take it down? And more importantly, do you have a stylist that you trust to help you recover and get your hair to thrive? Because growth is a journey. and you do not have to do it alone. Your stylist should be your teammate, your coach, your accountability partner. Just imagine if she had gone to someone else and they decided, yeah, you know what? Yep, let's go ahead and bleach your hair and get you that color back. Would her hair have still grown out? Yeah, it would have still grown out. But the hair that's growing out, you would have had to try extra hard to keep that hair hydrated, moisturized. It would have been a little compromised because bleach changes the structure of your hair. So why go through that when you can just look at her hair? She has all her curls. Yes, she has the permanent color on the ends, but that permanent color did not change the structure of her hair at all. So I would rather, if you just really want color, stick with something gentle like a permanent color, or just hold out, just wait. Her hair will be back with time, effort, and consistency. Her hair is growing back. She is so determined to reach her goal, and I am so determined to help her get there. These two-strand twists that you're seeing is the result of strategy, care, and patience. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope that you learned something. If you would like more exclusive content from me, please sign up for my membership. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and I will see you all the next time. Thank you for watching.